In this session, we're going to talk about something truly mind-boggling: endocrine disruptors. You might be thinking, what? Are those alien creatures from another planet? Well, not exactly, but they might as well be. These sneaky chemicals are hiding in many of our everyday household items, and they're not doing our bodies or our hormones any favors. Let's dive in. First up, we have our lovely bisphenol A, or BPA for short. This chemical is found in some plastics and can linings. BPA has even been spotted in some cash register receipts that, of course, you are touching whenever you receive a receipt from a cash register. So to avoid this unwanted guest, look for BPA-free products and be cautious when handling receipts. Good thing our world is going to more of a tap and go method. Now let's talk about phthalates, which are basically the party crashers of the chemical world. They're in soft plastics, vinyl flooring, and even our favorite cosmetics. Keep an eye out for phthalate-free labels to avoid this unwelcome intruder. Parabens are another group of chemicals that love to overstay their welcome. You'll often find them loitering in cosmetics and personal care products as a preservative. So when shopping, look for paraben-free products, especially body and face creams that go directly into your bloodstream. Let's not forget triclosan, the overzealous bouncer of the antibacterial world. You'll find this one lurking in antibacterial soaps and some toothpaste. To avoid triclosan, choose natural alternatives or products without it. Moving on to flame retardants like polybrominated diphenyl ethers, or PBDEs. That might sound like a rock band, but trust me, you don't want their autograph. You can find them in furniture, electronics, and textiles. Opt for flame retardant-free products when possible. Next up is the chemical with the name that's longer than a red carpet: perfluorinated chemicals, PFCs. These guys are found in non-stick cookware, stain-resistant carpets, and water-resistant clothing. Choose PFC-free options to avoid their unwanted presence. And now, we have a few chemicals that are harder to avoid, like dioxins, atrazine, organophosphate pesticides, and glyphosate. You can reduce exposure to these by choosing organic produce and carefully filtering your water. Lastly, we have some vintage villains like diethyl stilbestrol, that's DES, and polychlorinated biphenyls, PCBs. These chemicals have been banned, but they still persist in our environment. Unfortunately, we can't time travel back to their creation, but we can be more informed about our choices going forward. So there you have it, a star-studded lineup of endocrine, that's hormone disruptors, hiding in our everyday lives. Remember, knowledge is power, and with these tips, you can reduce your toxic exposure to make your mitochondria smile. Until next time, stay informed, stay healthy, and have fun eliminating those pesky endocrine disruptors.